Hello everybody! PDF document that I want to sign digitally. Where to do it? In the new version, it's here. In Use a certificate, digitally sign. You indicate where to sign, that's it. Then you select the digital signature that you want to use. And you can lock it at the end or not. Sign, and it asks you where to save it. Alright, and that's done. As an alternative, you can use Autofirma, that program. For me, it's working better than Adobe. And there I just put the document I want to sign. I make this click, sign. I select the area, then next, accept. I select the signature, then and where to save it. And that's all. See you next time.